Hey there, welcome to Amanda's Natural Living. I'm Amanda. Today, it's all about nutritional yeast. I will share what it is, why you want to eat it, some varieties, some benefits. I will also share an easy Parmesan substitute, 2 different ways, and other ways that you can incorporate nutritional yeast into your kitchen. What is nutritional yeast? It is a deactivated yeast. It is a high protein, low fat, nutrient dense food product that is used in vegan cooking. It is used as a cheese substitute. It has a strong flavor that is usually described as nutty, savory, or cheesy. Why do you want to eat nutritional yeast? It is a significant source of minerals, vitamins, and nutrients. Look for the varieties that are fortified or enriched. That means that they have added V complex vitamins like vitamin B12 and zinc. It has a very high fiber content and a great source of protein. It's actually a complete protein. It has all 8 essential amino acids. There are actually at least 3 types of yeasts out there. One is baker's yeast, which you make bread with, nutritional yeast, the one I am talking about, and brewer's yeast, which is used in beer. It is also used in baking. That's the one I made a mistake when I first changed my lifestyle. I went shopping. I read a recipe that said nutritional yeast. I went to the store and bought yeast. It happened to be brewer's yeast, and it ended up being really bitter in my cooking. And I read up on it, and that is the purpose of brewer's yeast, to be bitter. So I went back to the grocery store and repurchased nutritional yeast and have not been disappointed since. It is sold in the form of flakes, which is what I get, or granules or powder, and it's sold in most stores, most grocery stores, in the natural food aisle. You can get it in bulk or in prepackaged packages, and you can also get it online, which is where I get it. Now I'm going to show you a great Parmesan cheese substitute that I use all the time. I have 2 varieties actually. The first one I'm going to show you is with hemp seeds, and the second one I'm going to show you is with raw sunflower seeds. I will start with 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of hemp seed, and they go into my coffee grinder, and
1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic granules.
just a little mix. And you have a great Parmesan cheese substitute.
For the second recipe, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Mix it all up.
How else can you use nutritional yeast? Well, I have a video with some nutritional yeast as an ingredient in my black bean dip and also in my tofu crumble, which I will provide a link in the description below. So feel free to check those out. There's also so many other recipes out there that you can add nutritional yeast to. For example, salad dressings. You can sprinkle nutritional yeast on popcorn instead of butter and salt. So use nutritional yeast in soups and pastas, such as pasta sauces like Alfredo or cheesy type pasta sauces like mac and cheese. It is super good. Mix nutritional yeast with cashews or cauliflower to make a great cheesy creamy sauce. I also love to use nutritional yeast in my tofu scrambles, so look for more recipes to come with nutritional yeast because it is one of my favorite ingredients to add. Nutritional yeast, generally safe for most people, but there are some people that are sensitive to nutritional yeast, so just something to be aware of. But I love nutritional yeast because it has so many benefits. It helps protect against oxidative damage. It helps support your immune system, lowers your cholesterol, and it promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. And it also supports for a healthy pregnancy. I hope you enjoyed this video all about nutritional yeast. If you did, I hope you will subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much and have a great day.